Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I am not that active and I'm guilty about it. तो आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी lot of makeup. So a big haul which has almost like 20 plus products from She Glam. As you can see, I've already done full face of makeup because I'm dumb. And आई कुड नॉट प्लान एवरीथिंग प्रॉपरली. मैं बस उठी और मैंने सोचा आज तो यूट्यूब चैनल बनाएंगे. बट एनी वे आई हैव टू रिमूव दिस पूरा फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप. सो एंड इट्स फाइन. तुम लोग के लिए कुछ भी कर लूँगी मैं. सो शी ग्लैम्स ब्लशेस आर वेरी वायरल. तो मैंने वो काफ़ी सारे रील टिकटॉक देखे हैं क्या कि शी ग्लैम ब्लशेस आर सुपर डुपर वायरल. वाह यार, मैंने तो कबड्डी बननी क्या. एक सेकेंड. फॉर अ फैक्ट I have seen so many clean girl aesthetic content, aesthetic girls that are so clean even when they are shooting or even they are doing any random thing. Bro, I can't be clean girl. Look at my room. ये तो this is like my cleanest and it's still looking such a mess. ये देखो, ये सारे टॉप्स यहाँ पड़े, मेरा मेकअप, मेरे सारा सामान. मैं नहीं बन सकती क्लीन गर्ल अपने पूरे ज़िंदगी में कभी भी. Anyway, सो आई स्टार्टेड विथ ऑर्डरिंग ब्लश क्योंकि ब्लश बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल था. उसके बाद मैंने सोचा अरे ब्लश, इनके तो लिप लाइनर्स भी काफ़ी सस्ते हैं और कलर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. एंड आई एम क्रेज़ी अबाउट ब्राउन लिप लाइनर्स. देयर समथिंग अबाउट मी कि मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ ब्राउन लिप लाइनर्स देख के. फिर मैंने ब्राउन लिप लाइनर भी मंगा लिया. फिर मैं सोचा ब्राउन लिप लाइनर मंगा ही लिया है तो एक दो प्रोडक्ट्स और देख लेते. वैसे ही मैंने हाइलाइटर मंगाया, फिर कंसीलर मंगाया, फिर पाउडर ब्लशेस मंगाए. फिर बाद में ऐसे ऐसे करते 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 मैंने हो गए 20 प्रोडक्ट्स और 20 प्लस प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड माई मॉम डजंट नो अबाउट इट. अगर उनको गलती से भी पता चल गया कि उनकी बेटी ने इतनी सारी शॉपिंग कर ली बिना उनको बताए, इवन दो इट्स माई मनी, शी विल किल मी एंड शी विल बी लाइक एक्सक्यूज मी. सो गाइज आई एम बैक. मैंने पूरा मेकअप निकाल दिया है एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तो पहले आई विल शो यू वॉट आई गॉट फॉर बेस. सो बेसिकली आई एम नॉट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जो बहुत सारे फाउंडेशन या बहुत सारे कंसीलर्स में एक्सप्लोर करूँ. मैं आई जस्ट स्टिक टू कपल ऑफ कंसीलर एंड फाउंडेशन. बट आफ्टर सीइंग दिस कंसीलर आई थॉट कि चलो इसको एक बार ट्राई मार के देखते. एंड आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये इतना ज़्यादा मेरे स्किन से मैच करेगा. अपेरेंटली इट्स लिटरली परफेक्ट शेड फॉर मी. आई जस्ट शो यू. मैं थोड़ा अंडर आइज में लगा रही हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा इसको लगा नहीं रही क्योंकि मैंने अभी अभी जस्ट फुल फेस मेकअप निकाला है. लेट्स सी. लुक एट दिस गाइस. कैन यू सी? इट्स लिटरली लाइक परफेक्ट मैच फॉर मी. तो अभी मैं ये ब्लेमिश ये थोड़ा थोड़ा कवर करूँगी. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ डज इट लुक्स लाइक व्हेन आई डू इट, इफ इट्स लुकिंग नाइस और नॉट. मतलब आई कैन यूज़ दिस एज फाउंडेशन ऑल्सो इवन दो आई वोंट. मैं तो बस दिखाने के लिए लगा रही हूँ फ़िलहाल. I am not kind of person, so my everyday makeup look is very very simple. It's not even makeup also. I don't wear makeup every day. I only wear makeup when I'm shooting or if there's any event. And that also I do like minimal makeup. Like I'm just apply blush, eyeshadow, mascara, lipstick, and I'm done. I'm not kind of person who loves doing base makeup. I literally hate doing foundation and concealer because it feels so heavy on my skin and I feel like मेरे face पे से कुछ तो heavy सा है. So I don't like it. I only do it when there's some special occasion, like it's very important shoot या फिर कोई brand shoot है या फिर किसी की शादी वादी ऐसे उस type का कोई important event हो तो it makes sense. Next I'll show you is this highlighter sticks. मतलब ये काफ़ी प्रिसाइज स्टिक है एंड इट्स इन 2 शेड इफ़ यू कैन सी. एक है सिल्वर सा. दिस वन इज़ लाइक पीची. तो मैं यहाँ पे लगा रही हूँ सिल्वर एंड दिस इज़ लाइक प्रॉपर सिल्वर. इस साइड लगाऊंगी ये गोल्डन कलर्स. लिटरली मेरे आंखों से पानी आ रहा है क्योंकि मैंने आज इतना सारा मेकअप किया है. ये चीज़ ही अपने आई बोन, ये बोन पे लगाऊंगी थोड़ा सा. जस्ट कैन यू सी? इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली गोल्डन, इट्स स्लाइटली पीची. इट्स लाइक न्यूड. मुझे इसका नाम नहीं पता बट ऑफ कोर्स आई विल पुट द डिटेल्स in the description. Guys, I would like to first finish with creamy products. जो मैं यूजुअली यूज़ करूँगी बिफोर सेटिंग अप माई फेस विद पाउडर. एंड नेक्स्ट आर these वायरल ब्लशेस जिसके लिए मैंने 20 प्लस प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद लिए थे. These shades are Love Cake, which is like very light baby pink. Devoted, it's like reddish peachish, and Risky Business is more into brown. So let's get started with Love Cake, and I would apply this in front of my face ऐसे. It's very pink, like very soft pink, and this is perfect for summer. And guys, this is shade Devoted. मैं इसको थोड़ा पीछे लगाऊंगी because this is darker. ये काफ़ी पीची सा है, काफ़ी मतलब it's not proper red, it's peachish red. It looks really nice. And guys, this is Devoted. तो ये हल्का सा ब्राउन में आ जाता है. इसका शेड थोड़ा रस्सी है and it gives like a sunburn look, and that's how it looks like. These blushes are super buildable. अगर आपको अपना पिगमेंटेशन बढ़ाना है तो आप इसको और अप्लाई कर सकते हो अच्छे से और उसको बिल्डअप कर सकते हो ताकि उसका पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा दिखे, उसका कलर ज़्यादा दिखे. And I'm not building it up right now because I will put powder blush over this. Next product is She Glam Brow Setup. This is Set Me Up Brow Gel. ये ऐसा translucent सा है. I'll just show you how I set my brows. मैं एक वीडियो देख रही थी एक्सप्लोर पे. If you know Tate McRae, वो एक संगीतकार है एंड शी इज़ लाइक पॉप सिंगर. तो उनकी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट क्या करती है कि ऐसे ब्राउ जेल लगा लिया. ब्राउ जेल लगाने के बाद वो बता रही थी कि ब्राउ जेल लगाने के बाद उनकी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वो ऐसे चिपका के रखती है ताकि वो सूख जाए तो वो मतलब ऐसे चिपका हुआ ही दे. एंड दिस विल गिव अ वेरी सोपी इफेक्ट जो बीच में काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग था. I mean, this gives like a wet look, soapy effect. If you really like it, if not, आप इसको थोड़ी देर ऐसे पकड़ के रखो. पकड़ के रखने के बाद ये जब हल्का सा सूख जाए ना, इसको ऐसे छोड़ दो. हल्का सा सूखने के बाद इसे ऐसे कर दो तो it will give you a natural effect. I will do my another brow and I'll be back. Guys, I'm done with the brow gel. If you guys ask me if this is the best brow gel, I won't say this is the best क्योंकि मैंने Benefit का यूज़ किया और मैं हमेशा से Benefit का यूज़ करते आई हूँ. I think Benefit का is the best brow gel because it stays for so many hours. While this one I have tried this on before also, of course. Benefit का बहुत strong formula and वो ऐसे मतलब कड़क हो जाते हैं आईब्रोज वो लगाने के बाद. अगर आपको इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर्मूला नहीं चाहिए, आपको कुछ चाहिए हल्का सा माइल्ड जो इट विल स्टे, इट विल लुक नाइस, तो ये आप यूज़ कर सकते हो फॉर रेगुलर बेसिस. सो गाइज, नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ शी ग्लैम जाजी जिगसॉ आई शैडो पैलेट विच इज़ इन शेड मूविंग ऑन. It has lot of cool toned shades, so I really wanted cool toned eyeshadows क्योंकि मेरे पास वो था नहीं. इसमें ब्राउन है, ब्लैक है, ग्लिटर. आई लव दिस ग्लिटर पैलेट. Glitter is in grey and this is silver and this is like beige. It's like purplish. This is grey and this is mauve. And I really like this. I'm very impressed with this eyeshadow. So first I will use this purplish shade and I will just put it on my crease and I will blend it out. Then I will take this shade which is in between mauve and brown. I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. Oops, sorry. I am taking this basic silver glitter and I will be applying it on my lid and a little bit on my inner corner like this. And I will be doing the same on this side. I wanted to show you how beautiful these glitters are. I will show you a swatch of this. Oh my god, that's like golden. I've never tried it though. Guys, I'm done with the eyeshadow palette. Now let's move to the eyeliner. Multitasker line and detail eyeliner pen. This is thicker one and this is the thinner one. This is for the detail and this is for the wing liner. So I will just use this one for now and I will show you the another one as well. So let's do eyeliner. I am going to use the other one. This is the thinner eyeliner. I'm going to use it in my inner corner. this is the scary part. I'm so scared right now. Oh, it's nice actually. I will do the other eye too, and I'll be back. Moving on to the powders, we have powder blushes in two shades. One is Don't Pink Me Twice, and another is You're Peachy. I really like Don't Pink Me Twice. I think आई डोंट नो कि ये इतना जल्दी कैसे टूट गया. इसको लिटरली 1-2 ही महीने हुए हैं मुझे ख़रीद के. एंड दिस इज़ द पीची वन. सो ये बाजू में ऐसा दिखता है. पीची वन इज़ मोर नेचुरल शेड, वाइल द डोंट पिंक मी ट्वाइस इज़ मोर इनटू द वायरल डियोर वाला जो ब्लश था. इट इज़ सिमिलर टू दैट इवन दो आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड दैट वन. सो आई विल शो यू फर्स्ट डोंट पिंक मी ट्वाइस. एक आई थिंक I'll just show you थोड़ा सा ऐसे लगा के. It is very super duper pigmented honestly. वो कैमरा पे इतना दिख नहीं रहा but in real it's very pigmented. And I will apply the peachy one in the back. ये side. I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference. Like the peach one is more peachy and looks better on Indian skin tone, while this one is very much Barbie pink. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and in real I'm looking like a clown. So next we have our lip liners. I don't remember the name, and the name is also not written on the products. So this is like nude shade, okay, and I will show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's not nude, it's like pinkish peachish nude. And this is the plum shade. I will show you this as well. काफ़ी beautiful है ये, बहुत सुंदर है. And the next is browns. ये है medium brown I think. Yeah, it's like nudish brown. And this one is super dark. Look at this. These are the 4 shades that I got, and I think swatches से आपको समझ आ गया होगा. I will be applying the pinkish nude right now. So our next product is gloss, and these are lip plumping glosses, but apparently it doesn't actually plump your lips. So I don't like plumping, like जो tingly sensation होता है, I don't like it. So I'm okay with this. If any of you want like plumping, don't get this. Too Faced का lip plumper, it's really nice, and this is in shade pink something, hot pink I think. This is how it looks like. It looks really nice on camera, but it looks nice in real also actually, who I'm lying to. But इसका एक problem है, the packaging is not that great. Also ये ना थोड़ा product ऐसे टूट जाता है बीच में से, and this is not coming out also. So I will swatch another one which is in. So guys, now I'm applying this medium nudish brown lip liner. Oh my god, it's literally perfect match for my lips. It looks like my lips only. So this is the gloss. I don't remember the shade name. This is a peachy nude tone, and this is how it looks like. So next up is this plum lip liner that I'm going to apply. Okay, that's fine. Lip tint from She Glam. It's also a little glossy, so this is in shade Obsessed. Guys, don't get scared क्योंकि ये इतना ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं है जितना दिख रहा है. It's just that मैंने lip liner लगा है, so it's popping up a lot. इसको थोड़ा lip liner को हटा देती हूँ so that you guys can have an idea exactly ये कैसा दिखता है. So this is how it actually looks like, and trust me, this will last whole day long, and it's really cute. And this product is it's like duo. It's with एक तरफ इसका lip liner है, एक तरफ इसका lip stick है. This is very much into pink. तो ये है इसका lip liner. It's slightly similar to this, but this is more darker, and this is more into plum shade, and this is what this lipstick looks like. It's very much matte, and it's very much like Barbie. It's giving Barbie. It's pinky. So let's get to another product. Guys, being honest, now I feel like my lips will fall off anytime. मैंने इतने बार मेकअप लगाया है, इतने बार निकाला है. Not complaining about it. I love doing makeup. I love. This is another shade with the same thing. It's like lip liner एक तरफ और lipstick एक तरफ. It's more into shade of brown. So don't judge me for applying this brown liner so much. This is very very light, and this is giving Kylie Cosmetics. So let's get to next product. This is the next product. It's like this is a lipstick. It's a satin finish lipstick from She Glam in shade High Key, and I love this texture. It's light as hell and perfect for Indian skin tone. Perfect. Like, this was made for Indian skin tone. It's looking so good on me. I swear, I don't know why I don't wear this often. Go buy it right now if you're looking for a nudish, pinkish lipstick. This is your thing. This is you are supposed to buy this right now. So next product is this. This is like a trio set from She Glam. This is the lip liner. I will show you first the lip liner, how it looks like. It's in, of course, shade ऐसे brownish सा ये भी. It's warmer than other lip liners. It's way warmer. This will be perfect for Indian skin tone. So the lip liner shade looks like something like this on my lips, on my hands. It has lipstick and lip oil, both. First I'll apply lipstick. It's giving Kylie but Indian. Kylie Cosmetics but Indian. I'll just overline my lips again with the lip liner because I feel like my lip liner just vanished somewhere. Okay. अरे इधर focus हो भाई. Focus कहाँ है तेरा? This is what the lip oil looks like. The stick, इसका जो stick है काफ़ी stupid है. इससे मैं कुछ ढंग से लगा ही नहीं पाती हूँ. Wow. See, applicator is so fucking stupid. I feel like इस पे product ही नहीं आता है. I think it's really pretty and cool for Indian skin tone. I love how it's giving. It's giving flawless. Flawless lip combo. Let's move to next product. Last but not the least, one of the most cutest product that I got from She Glam is this. Look at the packaging. Girl, look at the packaging. So this is a mega lip stack in shade Petal Stack. So Petal Stack is basically all the pink and reds. It has all the pink and reds. They have two more shades. I think one has browns, a lot of browns, and one has a lot of nudes. I did not want something in nude or brown because I already got a lot of products in nudes and browns. So I was like, okay, now I need something pink and red. So I got this. So I'll show you all the swatches on my hand. मेरा हाथ भर गया है, but please don't mind that. This is like first one. It's pretty much bright red, and this is the second one, which is also red only, but this one is like pinkish bright red. This is little darker than that one. The reds, I don't usually wear reds a lot. The another one is this. It's more into brown, pinkish brown, mauvish. And the last one is my favorite. I love this shade. Literally, look at this pink. It's so cute. So cute. I feel like eating it right away. It's giving Barbie. It's giving soft girl. It's giving summer. So guys, I think I'm colorblind because it's definitely pink. I don't know why would I say it's red. Anyway, so this is the first shade. This one, and this is how it looks like. It's giving a very pretty pink shade. Guys, this is the another pink shade. Definitely this is also not red. it's this one, which is, I feel, is more into peach as compared to this one. This was more into pinkish shade, a little bright pink. This is more peachy, more a little darker than that. This one is the shade जो कि ऐसा दिखता है on my hand, but it looks pretty purple. It's very cool tone. It's mauve-ish shade and it's pretty cool toned lip shade. I am very sure that this lip shade will go with the eyeshadow palette because these both are pretty matching and they have similar undertones. This is how this shade looks like, and it's the shade. I really love the shade. You definitely have to pair it up with a good brown liner. मैंने अभी तो ऐसे ज़्यादा डार्क ब्राउन लाइनर नहीं लगाया, न्यूडिश लाइनर लगाया, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट द ये लिपस्टिक का शेड दिखे rather than the lip liner. But this is also looking good. अगर आप इसके ऊपर ग्लॉस लगाना चाहो, it will look stunning. You can pair it up with anything. If you really want to buy some summer makeup, या फिर अगर आपको अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड, वाइफ या अपनी सिस्टर या किसी को भी, लाइक इफ़ दैट्स योर, अगर आपको अपने बॉयफ्रेंड या जिसको भी मेकअप करना पसंद है उसे गिफ्ट करना है, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली लाइक पिक अप एनी 3-4 प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस हॉल and definitely you can give them this and they will be so happy. And please comment down below आपको ये haul कैसा लगा. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Also, a lot of videos will be coming up soon, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you.